Hi, I'm Bob Balch with the That's Jesus channel. On Easter Sunday, we are launching something I've been building for a long time, a study on baptism. Not just a pamphlet, but not a sermon series either. A full deep dive study that goes where almost nobody else goes. So let me give you two questions that are going to be covered in that study that have split churches. The first question is how? Should a person be fully immersed under the water? Is pouring acceptable? What about sprinkling? How? Some churches say immersion is the only valid mode. Others say that the method doesn't matter as long as water and the name of God are involved. Both sides claim scripture. Both sides claim history. And both sides think the other side is wrong. So the second question is who? Should infants be baptized or only people old enough to believe for themselves? This one has caused more division than almost any other question in the history of the church. People have literally died over this question. So, in this series, about a dozen episodes just on those two questions. We're going to look at the biblical evidence, the historical evidence, the theological arguments on every side, no shortcuts, no stacking the deck. This baptism series begins on Easter Sunday, April 5th, 2026. I hope you tune in. We're going to have new episodes dropping every Sunday for about 2 years until Easter of 2028. I'm hoping I'm done by then. So I hope to see you there. My name's Bob Balch with the That's Jesus channel. Have a great day and be blessed.